Question number 16. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Its side BC is produced up to E such that C is the midpoint of BE. Calculate the measure of angle ACE and AEC. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then BC is produced up to E. Then join AE. So equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Then also given such that side BC is produced up to E such that C is the midpoint of BE. So also given BC AC. So C is the midpoint means BC is equal to CE. So equal. Then this is our figure. How can we start? Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, write down. Since those who are not writing, listen, others write down. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So what we can write? Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, A to BC is equal to S. That means what? That is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, each will be 60 degree. Directly you can write, no, 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree equilateral triangle. Then, so this we got it as 60 degree. So we have to find out what AEC. For finding AEC, we have to apply the linear pair concept. So angle ACB plus angle ACE is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Linear pair. So ACB we have, that is ACB, that is angle A means what? Angle BAC, isn't it? Is equal to simply angle B means angle ABC, which is equal to angle C means angle ACB, which is equal to 60 degree. So simply angle ABC means this one. That is angle ACB is equal to what? 60 degree plus angle ACE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 60. That is angle ACE is equal to 120 degree. Up to this completed, all of you?
Yes.
Girls? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we got this angle as 120 degree. Next, consider triangle ACE. We have to find which one? AEC we have to find out. So for that, consider triangle AEC or ACE anyway. Consider triangle AEC. Consider triangle ACE or AEC. Anyway, you can write ACE or AEC. What is, since C is the midpoint, since C is the midpoint of BE, what we can write? BC is equal to CE, we can write then. Also given what? AC is equal to CE, no? BC is equal to CE. Also given AC is equal to CE. Also given AC is equal to CE. The next step. Given is enough. Since given C is the midpoint of BE, that is BC is equal to C. Also given AC is equal to CE. Then exterior angle. Consider triangle ACE. Exterior angle of triangle ACE is what? Angle ACB. exterior angle of triangle ACE is equal to angle ACB. This is for your knowledge only. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. That is, exterior angle means angle ACB is equal to sum of opposite interior angle means angle A. What we can write? Angle CAE plus angle AEC. AEC. So since AC is equal to AE, from here itself you can write what? Also given AC is equal to AE. That is what we can write. AC. Angle AEC is equal to AC means angle AEC will be equal to what? CE. Look at CE. Which is that CAE. CAE. Angle CA. Let it be equation number 1. So substituting that equation number 1 in this, we will get angle ACB is equal to angle, instead of CAE, we can write it as AEC. Why? Because we have to find out AEC. Angle AEC, that is substituting equation number 1. We are substituting equation number 1 here. Up to this clear, all of you? Got it, no? Any doubt? The next step, angle ACB is equal to 2 angle AEC. ACB we have 60 degree. So substitute the value ACB as 60 degrees equal to 2 angle AEC. So angle AEC is equal to 60 by 2. This angle AEC is equal to 30 degree. Completed. Can we start the next one? 17 to 1. In triangle ABC, question. In triangle ABC, D is a point on AB such that AC is equal to CD is equal to DB. If angle B is equal to 28 degree, find the angle ACD. In triangle ABC, D is a point on AB. So we can draw a triangle ABC. ABC. D is a point on AB. Then, hello, are you here? Such that AC is equal to AC is equal to CD. AC is equal to, then CD we have to draw a line. No, AC is equal to CD. Then is equal to DB. DB. 3 sides are equal. Then angle B is equal to 28 is given here, 28 degree. Then find angle ACD. So this angle we have to find out. ACD. So tell me. 3 sides are equal. So triangle. Angle B is given. So which triangle we have to consider? Given angle B. So we have to consider which one only? This triangle. Write down, consider triangle BDC. BDC. Consider triangle. Given BD is equal to CD. So that means angle opposite to that BD is what? That is What we can write? Given BD is equal to CD, we can write instead of BD, the side angle we can write no. Opposite angle is what? Angle BCD is equal to CD. BCD is equal to. Hello? CD means angle. What I want to write? BD means BCD. Then CD means. Is that correct? What I wrote is correct or wrong? Tell me.
Angle DBC.
BDC is correct or wrong? What I wrote is correct or wrong? BD, look at BD. BD side. Opposite of that is what? BCD. Okay, this is okay. Then CD. Look at CD. Opposite of that is what?
Angle DBC.
DBC. It is what? Angle DBC. Okay. Okay. Right. DBC. Angle DBC. So we have DBC is what? 28 degrees. So this we can replace it as 28. So angle BCD we got it as 28 degree. BDC we got it as 28 degree. BDC 28. So what we have to find out? ACD, no? ACD. So how we will reach the ACD? ACD. Look at triangle ACD. So we got 28 degrees. So what is that 28 degree? If we think of ACD, that 28 will be the exterior angle, no? Of.
Yes, ma'am.
If we consider this triangle ACD, which will be the exterior angle? Exterior angle of ADC is equal to what?
Angle DBC.
We have to reach here. So if you are considering this triangle or this triangle, anyway you want to get it as angle. We want to get AC D. So how can we reach the?
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Here's some disturbance, that's why. Consider that same triangle BDC, take about the exterior angle, think of that exterior angle. Exterior angle ADC. If we consider triangle, same triangle BDC, exterior angle ADC will be what? Exterior angle ADC is equal to sum of opposite interior angle means which one we can take? ADC. We have 28. So which one we have 2? Which 28 we have to take and then where we have to reach? No idea. Exterior angle ADC. Okay, sorry.
Ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Some disturbance here. That's right. Okay. Exterior angle ADC. Tell me. ADC. Tell me exterior angle ADC. We can take this as exterior angle. If you take triangle BDC, this will be the exterior angle. No, consider triangle BDC. If you are taking this triangle, exterior angle is ADC will be sum of opposite interior angle. If this is exterior angle means what will be the sum? Sum of opposite means what? Angle B plus angle C. No, angle B plus angle C. That is angle B. We can replace it as what? Exterior angle ADC is equal to B plus C. So instead of B, we can write it as angle DBC plus what? Angle TCB. Isn't it? So DBC we got it as 28 degree. Then what about DCB or BCD? Some clue is there.
Ma'am.
DBC is equal to what we can write? BCD or DCB we can write it as what? DCB. We will get this angle. Will be what?
Before exterior angle ADC, you have written BCD is equal to 28 degree, but in the figure you have marked BDC is equal to 28 degree.
BCD. BCD. B. C. D. That is, we are going to write.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, that angle BCD in board it is written 28 degree, but in the diagram it in angle BCD it is not there.
It is there in this. Okay, this is question. Look at that question. Angle B is given as angle B is equal to what? 28 degree. That I wrote. Look at that question. Angle B is 28 degree. Understood? Okay, given. This is your question. Angle B is given as 28 degree. It is there in the question. Okay. That's why I wrote here as 28 degree. Then next what we have to do?
Ma'am, angle C is 20.
If we are considering triangle, okay, this is 28 degree. That understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It is there in the question. Read the question. Any doubt? Any doubt? It is there in the question. So next we are considering BD is equal to CD. Given BD is equal to what? CD. So angle opposite to that is what? BCD is equal to angle DBC. So, okay. Here you got a confusion. That's why. Then tell me. Angle BCD and DBC. So angle BCD is equal to DBC is 28 degree. Now okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So sum of exterior
Left hand
angle.
side I changed it. That's why. Okay. No, that make you confused. Okay. BCD is equal to 28 degree. So BCD we got it as 28 degree here. Okay. Then tell me. Exterior angle is equal to DBC plus angle DBC plus angle BCD. Angle BCD. Now it's okay now. Exterior angle ADC, this one will be the sum of opposite interior angles. So 28 plus
56.
is equal to, okay, 56 degree. Exterior angle, that is angle ADC, we got it as, exterior angle we got it as 56 degree. ADC, this is 56 degree we got. The next step. Consider triangle where we have to find reach ACD. ACD, we have 56. So remaining two angles, sides given. So something we can do or not. Consider triangle ADC. Two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? If we consider triangle ACD, consider triangle ACD. If we consider this triangle, two sides, which are the two sides equal? AC is equal to AC
is equal
CD. Okay, CD. AC is equal to CD is given in the question. So angle opposite to that side AC is what? Angle ADC, which is equal to CD is what? Angle DAC. No, DAC. These two angles are equal. We have ADC as 56 degree. No, ADC. So instead of ADC, we can write it as 56 degree is equal to angle DAC. DAC. So DAC we got it as 56 degree. DAC is equal to 56 degree. Next is easy, no? We have to reach where? ACD. How can we write ACD? ACD. Sum of angles of a triangle. Is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So ADC is equal to 180 degree. So A angle DAC, no, angle DAC plus D
Angle ADC.
okay, ADC plus now what we have to find out
AC.
angle ACD
ACD.
is equal to 180 degree. ACD we have to find out ACD. Then remaining two angles we have, which are the values? DAC we have 56 degree plus ADC also we have. What is that? That also 56. No? So ACD is equal to 56 plus 56.
Angle ACD. What is 68?
Angle ACD is equal to 68 degree. ACD is equal to 68 degree. Any doubt in this question? Now it's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Then 18th one. In the given figure alongside AD is equal to AB is equal to AC, BD is parallel to CA and angle ACB is equal to 65 degree. Find angle DAC. So figure. These two are parallel lines. Then AD, AC, here B. This equal. These two are equal, this also. So given what? Given AB is equal to AC and DB is parallel to CA and ACB is equal to 65 degree. ACB is given as 65. 65 degree. We have to find out angle DAC. DAC, this full angle we have to find out DAC. How can we consider triangle ABC? Value we have, this value only we have. So which triangle we have to consider? That you have to understand. Which triangle? DBA or ABC. What we have, from there only we have to start. No. So for that we have to consider only which one? That's why we are considering ABC. We can't consider ABD. Why? We don't have the value. So ABC consider triangle ABC. What are the things given? If you are considering the triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is given. So what we can write angle? ACB is equal to angle ABC. So ACB is given as 65 degrees equal to angle ABC. Up to this okay or not? Check it. ABC is equal to 65 degree. This value we got it as 65 degree. Okay. Then same triangle we are considering ABC. So what will be angle A? That means angle BAC. This angle will be what? Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means same triangle we are considering ABC. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Tell me angle A. Can we write angle A? Angle BAC, no? Plus angle ABC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. We got ABC as about 65 degree. And already we have in the question ACB or BCA. That is also 65 degree. Angle BAC will be what? Any doubt in this? Please tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, value of angle BAC. Angle BAC plus 65 plus 65.
130.
130 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So BAC here we got it as 50 degree. Then two lines are parallel. That concept if you apply means you will get directly that value. Which are the two parallel lines and AB transversal. So one angle we got it as 50 degrees. So what will be the other one? Or given AB is equal to AD is given. So from there we will get the value of DAB. If we get DAB means DAB we have to find out. Then if we get DAB we can add that 50 plus that value.
Angle DAB equal to 65 degrees.
Alternate angle.
Angle BA.
DAB is equal to 65 degree.
DAB. DAB is equal to, is it 65 degree? Since if we want to write that as 65 degree means these two lines should be parallel. DA parallel to BC and AB is the transversal because it is not, since this is not parallel line. We can't write this as alternate angles. Just turn your book. These two only parallel lines. Given which are the parallel lines? BD is parallel to AC only given. And AB is the transversal. These two are the parallel lines. AD and BC are not parallel. BD is parallel to AC and AB is the transversal. So which two angles?
Angle DBA equal to angle 58 degree.
DBA. Okay. Angle DBA. Okay. DBA. Okay. These two are the alternate angles. No. Okay. So one here we got it as what? 50 degree means this angle will be 50 degree. Transversal angle. BAC
equal to
angle DBA. Understood? Concept of alternate angles. Alternate angle. These two are alternate angles. Alternate angles. So these two will be what? Is equal to 50 degree. That is alternate angles. Value of that is 50 degree. Why? Because angle BAC is 50 degree. BAC is 50 degree. So angle DBA also 50 degree. This also we got it as 50 degree using the concept of alternate angles. Then tell me.
AB is equal to AD.
Two sides equal.
BDA is equal to
Given AB is equal to what? Given if you are considering this triangle.
AB is equal to DA.
Equal to D.
AB is equal to DA. AB is equal to DA. So
Therefore,
Angle
angle BDA
uh,
is equal to
D.
angle DBA
DBA. Both angles.
is equal to.
So what we have? DBA we have, no? DBA 50 degree we have. So angle BDA also will be what? 50 degree. Isn't it? BDA, this we got it as 50 degree. Then next is easy, no? If you consider this triangle ADB means these two.
Sum of
of all angles equal to 180 degree.
Sum of
C plus 50 under 180
sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So
if you want, you can write again, consider triangle. Same triangle only, or starting you can write. Same triangle only we are doing, okay. Triangle ADB. If you need, write it again and again, that is better. For exam, you need, then sum of angles of a triangle. Triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means B, D and A, 180 degree. So tell me.
angle
DBA plus
angle DBA
angle DBA plus angle BDA plus angle
DAB.
okay, angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. DBA we have 50 degree plus angle BDA also 50 degree plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree.
100 degree.
so angle DAB is equal to 180 minus 100.
Angle DAB is equal to 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. So here we got it as 80 degree. So what will be?
DAC is equal to 130 degree.
Is equal to DAB plus angle BAC. That is equal to 80 plus 50 equal to 130 degrees. So DAC is equal to 130 degree. Okay. So remaining two questions we can do tomorrow. Okay, time 19 and 20. Okay.